I, James William Bartington,
Take you, Rory Catherine Louise Smith,
take you, Rory Catherine Louise Smith,
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
from this day forward,
from this day forward,
for better, for worse,
for better, for worse,
for richer, for poorer,
for richer, for poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish,
to love and to cherish,
till death us do part.
till death us do part.
They have declared their marriage by the joining of hands and by the giving and receiving of the ring. I therefore proclaim that they are husband and wife.
The answer. The answer.
Who'd have thought that when we met over the sounds of Gary's Jukebox and the Prince of Wales that we'd be getting married here today? Especially when you ignored all of my requests to go out for a drink with me for years and years and years. Anyway, I finally got that day all the years later and I haven't looked back since. As most of you know, we got engaged in the Grand Canyon in Las Vegas. It was a slick, highly detailed military-style operation that went right down to the last detail, and potentially one of the most stressful mornings of my life, where at points Rory was actually carrying her own engagement ring without even knowing it. From then on, though, we proceeded to lose money on practically every table and machine in every casino we went into, but it paled into insignificance as I had already won the jackpot.